Why do you think social media is not good? So, academically, it's not good.
When you look for feedback from the crowd and the crowd doesn't give, your speech doesn't take off.
Okay.
Do you understand? You should not hold like this, not 45 degrees. It should cover your mouth.
Everybody is being updated because of the social media. So we are being aware of everything what's happening in the world. We know what's happening in the world. We can answer everything in our fingertips. Like everyone use smartphones. So everyone is aware about what's being happening around us. And for the educational purpose, also use social media.
So once again, now what you do is to cut down your speech. What you will do is you speak slowly. You're using a lot of word
Okay.
Don't use ums and speak a little slowly with expressions like this. Social media, good or bad? We all are using social media. Think the same thing, say it slowly, express on the words. For studies, use big.
Social media is good or bad?
Do like this. Good or bad? These are called as body language. Hand gestures. Stop.
It depends upon how you use them.
Nice.
Also.
Nice. Can you give a big round of applause? You did really well. Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I represent ICM, International Coaching Monks, here along with Mr. DK Dhup, Dr. Poorani, Anju Ji, and finally under the guidance of Mr. De, we work with entrepreneurs just like you to help you implement concepts like FIFO, first in first out, JIT, just in time, management skills like Six Sigma and Lean, assembly line, and if you are looking to automate and take your business to the next level, ICM is the answer.